Hey everybody, it's Lon Simon. It is time for another unboxing, and today we got in the Legion Y540 from Lenovo. This is a 15-inch gaming laptop, and this one happens to have a new i7 9750H processor and a GTX 1660 GPU. This starts at around $1,000, $1,039 to be exact, and that includes an i5 chip. The i7 one here is about $1,300. We're going to have a full review of this soon on my main channel at lon.tv. So here is the outside of the laptop. It looks similar to a few other Lenovo gaming machines we've looked at recently. Let's take a look at the port selection here on the back. There's quite a bit. So we have USB-C, mini display port, USB, HDMI, gigabit Ethernet, power, and a Kensington lock. On this side, we have a USB 3 port, and on the other side, we've got another USB 3 port. I'm not seeing, though, any Thunderbolt on this one. This USB-C port is just USB-C, and we'll test and see what you can do with that port when we do the full review. So here's the machine itself. This has got a 1080p display. This is a 15-inch. It's glossy, so it's not, or actually more matte than glossy, I should say. So it doesn't reflect that much light here, as you can see. That's not a bad thing. They do have a 144 hertz display available, but I think this one is only 60. And then we've got the keyboard with a number pad and nice big arrow keys here as well. So that's pretty good. The display can run flat to the machine's back there as well. Okay, so let's take it apart now and see what's inside. All right, they did not make it easy to get into this thing, but I finally got it apart. Right here is where your RAM goes. It's got two RAM slots on there for DDR4 RAM. We have an NVMe SSD in this particular model. This one has a terabyte, but they have other versions with different storage configurations. And you've got a spot here for a SATA 2.5-inch drive, so I'm guessing there's probably some configurations that might have a slower spinning drive. But they don't have a SATA connector on this particular model, but there appears to be a spot on the board where that connector would attach. So if you can find that connector, you can go beyond the single slot here for storage. So that is the inside. Let's put it back together and see what else is in the box. All right, so we got a couple other things in the box, and actually that mystery SATA connector is right inside. So if you did want to connect up a SATA SSD or regular spinning drive, you've got the ability to do that with this little thing here. We have the power adapter here, and this thing is large. This is a 230-watt power supply, likely to power that GPU that's on board, and then you've got your power connector here for the US. So lots to look at on this one. We're going to have a full review coming up soon on the main channel at lon.tv, so stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold-level supporters, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, Brian Parker, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.